Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cutout collage on Instagram using new collage feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and then we will be able to use the collage feature on our Instagram story. So we can create an Instagram story guys. We can select your story and here you will see new collage feature. And if this feature hasn't appeared on your Instagram, I recommend you to update your Instagram so you will get this new feature. Okay, you can tap on collage and then you can choose some photos from your device and you can choose maximum 20 photos. And then I'm just going to pick random photos from my device. Okay, I have selected 8 photos. And after that, you're going to click on next. And hold on guys, the collage is being created. And there will be two types of the collage. The first one is the cutout collage and the second one is sequential. And you can choose one of them. But I prefer the cutout collage because it looks more captivating. Wait, it's still loading. And okay, this is how the cutout collage looks like. And if you want to try the sequential, you can click on the sequential. And I'm going to show you how the sequential looks like, okay? And better the cutout, right? So we can choose the cutout and then select done. And before you upload your cutout collage to your story, you can edit your story. You can add music or text or sticker. It's up to you to make it more captivating. And if you want to edit your photo, click on this pencil icon. And then here you can replace your photo or add new photos, or you can delete the photos. If you want to add new photo, just click on this plus icon. Okay, and then I'm going to click on done. And let's add music to make it more captivating. I'm going to choose this one. Oops. Sorry, I cannot play it louder due to the copyright. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to create cutout collage using new collage feature on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.